let me get in Nikhil Jain. Nikhil, 3 times already Nehru has got mentioned in this debate. And there is a reason why this has happened. Because while I personally have no problem with propagation, the issue of proselytization, because Hinduism has this issue with proselytization by its inherent nature. You're born a Hindu and there is no scope for proselytization. And that's why Hinduism has faced the onslaught of these proselytizing religions. And Nehru, by letting proselytization come into the constitution, created a situation where the Hindu followers of Hindu faith became forever possible targets of these aggressively proselytizing faiths. So obviously the concern that Jagdeep Dhankar is expressing is a real, practical fact on the ground.
It's a 75 years plus old problem.
Ramanji, can I now speak? I think you've had your enough share of time. So Abhishek, there are primarily two things that we're talking about. One, we're talking about conversions by inducement or by coercion. Two, we're talking about sexual assault by some sort of religious figures. Now, the thing is, the BJP would like to make the country believe that it is only the Christians and the Muslims who do both these activities, but that's not the case. Whichever religion you talk about, whether the book of the religion allows it or not, you will have radical figures who will try to convert people by coercion or by forced means. This has happened with when people mostly associated with the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and the Bajrang Dal.
Have you ever heard any Jain Muni doing this? कि आप forcibly convert हो जाओ? एक श्वेतांबर पीतांबर कोई Jain Muni आज तक force करता है कि आप Jain बनो.
I did not interrupt. Let me complete.
Let him complete. Raman Malik, please let him complete. Raman Malik, please let him complete.
Vishwa Hindu Parishad has time and again tried it. Swami Asimanand and the Hindu Jagran Manch have tried it. Subhash Chauhan and Bajrang Dal have tried it. Similarly, Christian evangelists have tried it. There have been people who have tried to convert Dalits into Sikhism. There have been people who have tried to convert Dalits into Sikhism. There have been people who have tried to convert Hindus or people, tribals or other people into Islam. These incidents span across religions. Similarly, when you talk about cases of sexual assault, are we all forgetting about Gurmeet Ram Rahim, who claimed to profess a form of Sikhism, or Asaram Bapu?
No.
Not Hinduism, Sikhism. This is Christian.
They have been dealt with the court of law. Please understand, all these people, Asaram Bapu, Gurmeet Ram Rahim, they have been taken care by the court of law.